Good morning, Cubs. It's so exciting to get this month started. For the month of May, I'm going to be listening to the audiobook of Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. This book is by Dusti, and I hope you will join me. Here we go. Well, that was a great walk, and I thoroughly enjoyed listening to this book with you, and look forward to sharing ideas, maybe some sketches, some journal entries, who knows. Hope you have a great day, great week, and happy reading.